everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. This is the Skinny Freezer Vodka Martini. Yeah, 4 different flavors. I'm just gonna try them and see, was it really worth the $20? Is this gonna be a poolside favorite? Is this a must-have for the summer? We gonna see. Let's try. Here we go. To watch the full video, click the link in the description box or the end clips and it'll take you straight to the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.